We are now going to finish our Chapter 3 example. We need to go in and we need to select this surface to do a 2D sketch. So I'm going to come up and left click on my 2D sketch. I'm going to come down and on this surface left click. Now we want to create a rectangle that sits on here. So I'm going to come up and left click on rectangle and come down and make sure that I get attached to the top, pull down and attach to the bottom. And now I'm going to right click and left click on OK. We now need to set the distances. I'm going to put the dimension from the left edge to the left edge of the rectangle, and I'm going to set it at 15. Now I can either set the width of the rectangle at 20 or the distance from the right side to the right edge of the rectangle at 15, because we pre-made this earlier as a dimension of 50 and it remembers that there's a total of 50 there. So I'm going to still in dimension, going to dimension the width of the rectangle as 20. Now I'm ready to come out of my finished sketch, and we're now ready to cut this out. We're going to come up and left click on extrude. We're going to come down and pick the profile that we want. We're going to come up and left click on the cut feature. And now what I want to do up here under extents is I want to come to my drop down arrow, and I want to come down and I want to select to next. Now what this does is, as it looks at this profile, we go to the next edge that it has in its path, and in this case the next edge was the circle that we had created, and that's where it will stop and cut out to that circular edge. And when I hit OK, you'll notice that now we have our cutout. This is the object that we were to create in Chapter 1 example. Please save this as a part file so that you will be able to submit it for me to see your progress in making parts. If you have questions, please contact me. Thank you.